How to trim video in CapCut. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to trim video in CapCut. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So from in there, just open your CapCut editor and then you can see this line right here. So just move it depending on what time of the video you want to trim. So for example, I want to trim this part right here. Just click on clip. Then you can see this option right here. Just click on split or just click on Control B. Then from in there, you can see that you can actually see that I have split it. So if you want to trim a specific part, like for example, let's trim this part until here. So let's just click on the clip, then split it right here. Then click on the clip that you want to trim. So for example, this one. If you want to remove it, just click on delete on your keyboard. As you can see, it has been deleted and we can now successfully export it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video will help you to trim video in CapCut. If you have comments, comment them down below and try best to answer them. Thanks.